Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, and for today's video, since Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse is almost out, I had this Miles Morales Spider-Man that I drew I think over a year ago in pencil in one of my medium-sized sketchbooks, and also Spider-Gwen that I drew on my smaller sketchbook with ballpoint pen, and I wanted to combine both of these together. But before we get started on this tutorial, if you're brand new to my channel, consider hitting the like button, ring the bell, leaving a comment, and let's get to it. So if you guys are not familiar with drawing with pencil, usually I draw everything in freehand. So this one I actually drew it back when Miles Morales, the game, came out for the PlayStation. So this is one that I kind of just interpreted a little bit my way by exaggerating his pose and doing everything in pencil and just blending everything together. And this one I actually thought it was really cool because I used a 2B, 3B, 4B, and up to a 7B pencil to create a nice contrast between light and dark. Oh, and at this point when I was drawing it, I had no idea. I didn't realize that my battery died. So this was like around 5 to 10 minutes lost of me drawing. So yeah, my bad. And what I really like about this version of Spider-Man is Miles Morales when he has this hoodie on with his puffy jacket and cool looking shoes. And what I'm actually going to do with this drawing and also Spider-Gwen, I'm going to be transferring it to Procreate and digitally coloring it on my iPad Pro. So that's going to be really cool. Eventually I'll do that after I'm done with this video. And one of the things I like to do when I'm drawing with pencil is doing a gesture drawing, which is kind of light, and I'm going around the figure, around the legs, the arms, the head, and the entire body, and kind of giving it a 3D look, but still in a light way, and following the action lines. So it is very light, it's very smoky looking, and when I do get into the detail, that's when I go in with my 3B and 4B pencil to add in the heavy contact shadows where the light cannot go in. And to add some highlights, I use this pencil eraser to add in some highlights and some middle tones. And this really added some cool contrast that made it seem to where the light was hitting the certain part of the jacket, the eyes, the gloves, and the shoes, and a little bit of the spiderweb as well. And that's what we use to keep the bright white to really have a striking look. And I purposely did not blend anything with this drawing because I just wanted to see how I was able to create a nice balance between a gray value of dark grays and white. So there was no blending whatsoever. And I really like how it left this nice graphite texture that was kind of rough, and at the same time you can see the nice pencil strokes around Spider-Man. But yeah, this was my Miles Morales drawing. So now let's get on to Spider-Gwen. So in this tiny sketchbook, because it wasn't really that big, this one didn't take so long to do, but yeah, I only used ballpoint pens, and this tiny sketchbook, I just wanted to see what type of textures and detail I can create by just using these type of pens. And it's pretty cool if I use a brand new pen versus an old one where I'm able to use very dark inks and also dry looking grays as well. So I used a combination of older and newer ink pens. But yeah, this one was really cool. I used a pose that I found from the 2018 film Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And in the end, I thought it looked pretty cool. So yeah, here are the two next to each other. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of both of these drawings, both of these poses. And are you guys excited for the brand new film and also the upcoming Spider-Man game for the PS5? Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later. Bye.